the new check-in spot in Bangkok.
The perfect place for art lover.
There's a lot of art,
And here's the exhibition zone of the Fire Friends.
so you can get a lot of pictures to post on your social media. If you can see at the back, do not touch, do not touch. And a lot of spots to take a picture. Where'd you go? Okay.
Do like this as a souvenir back home.
Art activity that you can join for free.
They will put your work here.
And shopping for your arts equipment. Art lesson with the professional here for free. You can decorate it yourself. They will have the free painting for you. Come here and show your talent.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Friends from Thailand channel, and today you're here with me, Emmy, and your new Thai friend Pocky.
Hello, I'm your new Thai friend Pocky.
Yeah, and today we're going to show you the MRT Phahon Yothin station. Why is it the new check-in spot?
And what you can see here.
Let's go!
Let's go!
This MRT station also connect with the metro mall that you can go in. Actually, at this MRT station, it's more than just a place you can use it your transportation, but it's also a place you can enjoy the art, the exhibition, and if you love art, a really good spot for you. And also, you can get a lot of pictures to post on your social media. If you can see at the back, there's a lot of art and a lot of spots to take a picture. Just like this. Where'd you go? Okay. Take a photo free. Okay, and they also have like exhibition zone and zone for you to go shopping, which is we going to show you next. Where you wanna go first?
First, I want to go to the observation art, like they draw scenery pictures.
Wait, but I wanna stop here first.
Oh, sure.
Okay. Do not touch. Do not touch. Do not touch. Let's go. And actually all the art here, like on the wall and like, yeah, basically everywhere, it's gonna change every 3 months, right? So next time you come here, you might not see this guy.
You see me.
Okay. Sleepyhead. That is so me.
And here's the exhibition zone of the Fire Friends. Most of the pieces here in the exhibition, they're also selling it, but most of it right now are like all sold out. So maybe next 3 months or next time you come here, you can come looking for the pieces you want and then you can purchase it back to your hometown.
Also, aside from a lot of art that you can take a picture and look all the way here, you can also do the photo print, photo card like this. Like maybe if you came here for dating with your friends or your lover, whatever, you can do like this as a souvenir back home. Here they also have a workshop for you to join, and they will put your work here. You can see it's like kind of like the same concept of the picture, but they're using like each person different style, right?
And here's the place that you can come here and shopping for your arts equipment. They have like canvas, the brush, the color, and even a color book for kids like this. And in here, they also have an art activity that you can join for free every Wednesday. You can scan the QR code here for more information and just look for the Art Learning Center and then just go in and then you will have art lesson with the professional here for free. And they also selling these art piece from like Thai artists. Some of it costs like 5 million baht or some of it costs like cheaper than that. If you wanted to find something to decorate your house or wanting to buy some of these pieces, you can just come here and purchase it. And here's the workshop zone that you can buy the glass bottle like this or the mirror like this and you can decorate it yourself. They will have the free painting for you, painting equipment, and you can use that for free. You just have to clean all of it and put it back. And here are all the tote bags that people already come and decorated it. Some of it are still here, they're showing it here, but at this time that I'm here, the canvas tote bag are all gone, so they only have mirror and the glass bottle left. And here you also have like the gachapon that you have to pay like 300 baht, and then you see if you get the woodcraft or the acrylic keychain. If you got the woodcraft, you can just go decorate it yourself. They will have like free area for you to paint and use their free painting equipment. And these are the result after you done painting it. And they also have this metre art live music zone where you can come here and show your talent, or the open space for the teenager or the people who have talent and wanted to show it to come do it here at Phahon Yothin station MRT.
And here they also have clothes for you to shop, and also jewelry. They sell so many art stuff, like handmade stuff, and this sunflower just 50 baht. You also have handbag like this, 390 baht. And it's all handmade like this. ขอถ่ายพี่ทำเลยนะคะ Herbal inhaler. This is pretty cool.
They have the handmade tray, handmade candle, and even the woodcraft.
Even in the toilet.
First of all, I would like to apologize that in many parts in this video I have to do voiceover since we have a problem with our microphone. But yeah, that is all for the MRT Phahon Yothin walk around. This is the first metro art in Thailand, and if you guys like art, don't forget to come visit here. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to check out our social media here. And in the future, we will have more of a BTS and MRT walk around, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video to your friends. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.